Hello there, welcome to my channel. Your computer science evangelist is here once again with another lesson, suffix. We are going to learn how to convert from infix expressions to suffix forms. In our previous tutorial, we saw that suffix expressions are defined by an operand followed by another operand and finally followed by the operator. An example is AB plus. Now, just as we saw in the infix form, we need to know our ped mass. If you are new to this channel, just look out for the previous tutorial for more insight about the ped mass. But I'm going to brush through once more. Ped mass is an acronym where P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. They follow in the order of precedence, meaning in any given expression, if there exists a parenthesis, you first tackle that. If not, then you look out for an exponent. If not, then a division and multiplication follows. Lastly, addition and subtraction. Remember, division and multiplication have the same precedence, but in any given expression, you must first tackle the sign that comes first, scanning from left to right. If it is multiplication that comes first, then tackle that before you proceed to the division sign and vice versa. This same approach goes or applies to addition and subtraction, since they are also of the same precedence. But note again, division and multiplication have higher precedence than addition and subtraction. Now let's take an example. Convert the following infix expressions to suffix. Example 1, x minus y. X minus y, the suffix form will be xy minus. Pretty simple, right? Example 2, b equals d plus b times c, all into bracket divided by a. With this expression, we will tackle the operands in pairs. First of all, there is a parenthesis, that's a bracket, and according to our ped mass, we have to tackle the bracket first. The bracket has a plus sign and a multiplicational symbol, and therefore we will attack the multiplication sign first, since it has a higher precedence than the plus sign. Therefore, our b star c will be our first point of contact. We then convert b star c to the suffix form, giving us bc star. Then we equate bc star to x. From here, we will now rewrite our expression again, but this time representing bc star as x. Remember, x is just used in this example, but you can have any other letter or symbol of your choice, but ensure that that letter is not part of the main expression. So here we now have b equals into bracket d plus x slash a. We are still not out of the bracket, so we can now tackle d plus x. The suffix form becomes dx plus, and then we equate that to y. We now rewrite the expression again, giving us b equals y slash a. Remember, dx plus is now y, and the suffix form now becomes ya slash. We again equate ya slash to z, and then rewrite the expression again as b equals z. The suffix form becomes bz equals. We are almost done. Remember, z is not part of the main expression, so we need to unveil it. So our expression now becomes vy a slash equals. y2 is also not part of the main expression, so we can go ahead and unveil that too. Therefore, we have b dx plus a slash equals. Here we need to unveil x just as we did to y and z. Thereby getting BDB C star plus A slash equal. Voila. Well done, guys. Now let's make our hands dirty. More example, convert the infix expression to suffix. S equals Z divided by R plus into bracket W minus T times M all into bracket divided by Q. Alright, so bracket first. Oops, there is another inner bracket, so we first have to tackle the inner bracket. Therefore, W minus T becomes our first point of contact. We convert that to suffix form, giving us WT minus. We now equate WT minus to A. Then we rewrite the expression again, giving us S equals Z divided by R plus A times M all into bracket divided by Q. We are still in the bracket, so we can see we have division and multiplication in the bracket in which both signs have the same precedence and are higher than the plus sign. So we tackle the division first since it appeared in the expression first from left to right when we scan the expression. So Z slash R will be our next point of contact. We can now convert that ZR slash. And again, we represent that with B. From here, we rewrite the expression again, giving us S equals B plus A times M, all into bracket divided by Q. If your guess is as good as mine, then you are a genius. We now proceed to A star M, and its suffix form becomes A M star. Let's equate that to C. Then we will rewrite the expression as S equals B plus C all into bracket divided by Q. The bracket is still rolling, so we tackle B plus C. Suffix form is BC plus, and then equate it to D. Then we rewrite the expression again as S equals D slash Q. Don't give up, guys, we are getting to the end. We now tackle D slash Q since the division has a higher precedence than the equal to sign. Therefore, our suffix becomes DQ slash. We will equate that to E as usual and then rewrite the expression again, giving us S equals E, which also gives us SE equal to as its suffix form. Yes, the easiest part is finally here. We can now unveil E, thereby giving us SDQ slash equal to. Same goes to D, giving us SBC plus Q slash equal to. We'll do same for B, hence we have SZR slash C plus Q slash equal to. Same goes to C, giving us SZR slash A M star plus Q slash equal to. Finally, we unveil A. So we have our final answer as SZR slash WT minus M star plus Q slash equal to. Yes. Guys, this is very cool and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see ya.